Hi and welcome. Today we are going to create our first Django project. We are going to build blog app. We will discover how to build subscribe posts with tag at the index page or home page, top blogs and the new blogs. We will learn how to build our about page and all posts. We will learn how to get our views of our blog and publish the date, and how to make bookmark to interested blog. The content of our blog, tag, saved and comments. We will learn how to make comment and reply to our post. We will build our tags page and the author page. Finally, we will build our login, authentication and sign up form. Let's begin.